Hi, this is Matt from Coursensu, and I'm going to show the process for moving a learning design from Coursensu into the Moodle LMS. So I'm sure you're all very familiar with Moodle, but I'm just going to show the final product. So this is a course inside Moodle, and it's got some sections and some content. And this is actually a copy of a course that we made a couple of years ago. But you'll see here it's got some images, activities, some instructions. It's a pretty standard course to show. So how do you get a course into your LMS? Do you copy and paste it from a document? Do you just create it directly on the LMS? Or maybe you've got another system that you use or another process. But in this example, I want to show you how you can directly export your learning design from Coursensu straight into Moodle. So let's look at the same course back at the learning design stage. So this is the Coursensu design canvas, and we can open up any of these content items or activities, and this is how it's created inside Coursensu. So we've got our sort of title, and then in here we've got the learning content with images and links and quotes or whatever else you need. So that's all composed in the Coursensu rich text editor. And I've got each item is a piece of content or an activity in the learning design. This design's been reviewed and approved and it's ready to go. So now we want to move it onto our Moodle. So let's show how that works. First of all, I go to export and I've got a range of export options available to me, but the one I want to use is the Moodle export option. And Coursensu will now do a background process just to prepare all of that content for the Moodle format. So it's not changing the design, it's just preparing an export version of that design. So it downloads in a Moodle backup zip or an MBZ format. This is a highly portable way of moving a Moodle course to a different Moodle install. And that's compatible with Moodle 2 and upwards. We're going to be downloading this file. So let's grab that MBZ. And then what we'll do is we'll move to we're actually using the Moodle demo. It's a sandbox. And we're going to restore this course. This is a Moodle 4.5 setup. So I'm currently logged in as an administrator, but there are other ways to restore a course. And I'm just going to walk through the course restoration process. So I'll grab my MBZ, upload the file, start restoring. And this is just going to show me a quick overview of all of the content that's coming in. And I'm going to put it in the miscellaneous category and just skip to the end of the restoration process. So this is just going to build the course for us in Moodle. That takes a few seconds. I've got a message to say that was successful. And now I can see it's actually a copy because I just showed you the first version before I started. So it's made a copy, perfectly normal behavior. And I've got all of my content that I had inside the Coursensu learning design presented to me now in Moodle. So this has obviously changed the style slightly, but this is broadly presenting it exactly as it was created in the learning design, but has been completely migrated over to the Moodle format. As you can see, that was very quick, very painless. At the moment, it's just creating pages, but the plan in the future is also to start thinking about how it could create other activities, assignments, quizzes, and so forth. But ultimately, this is how you can get your structure, your learning design from a platform like Coursensu onto an LMS, for example, Moodle. Thanks for watching. Appreciate any comments or thoughts or feedback via this video or via any form of social media, or you can always reach out at hello@coursensu.com. Thanks. See you soon. Bye.